Okay, dear students, now we have completed 13.2 exercise in the last class. Okay, all questions we have finished. 13.1 was on limits, 13.2 was on derivatives. Okay, now let us see 13.3. Actually, this is miscellaneous exercise. We have given this as 13.3 miscellaneous exercise. Okay, let us do one by one question. We will try to solve at least 8 questions in this class. Okay, first question is having another 4 parts. We can say total 8 plus 3, 11 questions. Okay, see, what is the first question? Find the derivative of following function from the first principle. When first principle comes means we have to follow that rule. Limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Okay, that we have to follow. Directly cannot do. Directly if you do, minus 1 is the answer, we know very well. D by dx of x is 1, d by dx of minus x is minus 1. Okay, but we don't do that one. We will do by first principle. Okay, let us see. Let us see. First of all, write let f of x is equal to minus x. Okay, then f dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x whole divided by delta x. Okay. Okay. Now carefully substitute. Why? Because now minus is there. That is why limit delta x tends to 0. See, f of x plus delta x. Where x is there x plus delta x you have to write. First of all, you have to write minus. Then x is there, x plus delta x. Then this minus applicable to both x and delta x. Then minus, okay. Again minus x. Why? Because logically this x should cancel. You see minus x plus x. Then they are going to get cancelled. Like that you have to write. Or else you are going to do the mistake. That is equal to. Now you open the brackets. Minus x minus delta x plus x delta x. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now what will be the answer? You see minus is there, minus delta x. That is why limit delta x tends to 0 minus delta x by delta x. Okay. You see what will happen now? That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 minus 1. We know limit of a scalar function is scalar. Limit of a scalar, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, like that you have to do. You see, this is a first principle process. First principle process will take some time, steps also. Or else directly we can say that minus x is minus 1, that's all. Okay, let us go for second part. Okay, now you see, second part of the first question, same. From following first principle, you have to find this function. You can observe carefully, minus x whole power minus 1 is there. Then how you write? See, when doing direct derivations and all, this is okay. But when you want to do from first principle, don't keep in this way. This you keep in this way. Minus 1 means what will come? 1 by minus x. Is it correct? First you see. 1 by minus x will come. Like that you write it. Why? Because if this is in this form, then it is very easy to calculate. Why? Because see, minus is where that is important. If you write this minus top, then automatically you are going to do mistake. That you keep in our mind. Okay. Okay. Let us do. Write down first. F of x is equal to 1 by minus x. F dash x is equal to, you see, first of all let us write the formula. F of x plus delta x minus f of x whole divided by delta x. Okay, and here limit x tends to 0 we have to write. Limit delta x tends to 0 f dash x. Okay. Now proceed. Now proceed. You substitute carefully. Limit delta x tends to 0. Okay. Now you see f of x plus delta x. That means where x is there, there only you have to write. You see how I am writing 1 by minus of x plus delta x. That means this minus will applicable to both. Okay. Then minus, okay, f of x 1 by minus x divided by delta x. You may ask why can't we transfer this minus top? That also we can do, but carefully you have to do this process. Why? Because this you have to keep in your mind that this minus is applicable to both for x and delta x. Like that you have to think. Okay. Now let us proceed further. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Cross multiply minus x minus of minus plus. You see minus minus both plus while cross multiplication. Then x plus delta x will come. Plus x plus delta x. Okay. Anyway, always you keep in your mind that these x are going to get cancelled delta rather than delta x. Okay. Now you see, even if you multiply also, see cross multiplication means you have to do multiplication denominator. While multiplication also you see minus into minus plus is going to become then x square plus x delta x. Write down x square plus x delta x. Is it okay? First you see x into x square x delta x. See now whole divided by delta x is there. Shall I write 1 by delta x? Definitely I can write 1 by delta x. Why? Because see a by b by c by d divided by 1 is there like that. When you multiply divided by c by d, when you multiply d by c, d is 1, c is delta x, you see. Now what will happen? This minus x plus x are going to get cancelled. That is very important. Okay, that you have to observe carefully. Okay, now you write down minus, no, not minus, plus only, yes. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta x by x square plus x delta x into 1 by delta x. Now also you see these delta x are going to get cancelled. Okay. Okay, now limit delta x tends to 0. Now numerator is only 1 divided by x square plus x delta x. Okay, now we will apply limit. If you apply limit, automatically what will become? You see limit delta x will not come. Is it okay? X into 0. That means what is the final answer? 1 by x square. Okay, like this you have to finish this question. Let us go for third part. See sine of x plus 1. Third part. First question, third part. From first principle you have to find the derivative sine of x plus 1. Okay. Let f of x is equal to x plus sine of x plus 1, like that you write and you proceed further. Okay. Let us do. You see. Let f of x is equal to sine x plus 1 and f dash x is equal to, first you write the formula, limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. Okay. That formula you write first, then you substitute. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, x plus delta x, f of x plus delta. That means where x is there, there only you have to write. You see carefully what I am writing. Sine x is there. You write x plus delta x minus 1. Is it okay? Okay. Minus f of x. Sine of x plus 1. Delta x. Okay. Now see, by seeing this, why this minus has come, this minus shouldn't come. Yes. So where delta x is there, there delta x will come, but plus 1 is only there. Okay, plus 1. Sin x plus delta x plus 1. Sin x plus 1. Okay, you see, now you can say that sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d formula, what you know? Sin c minus sin d. That means you see, if you take c a plus b, d if you take a minus b. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Okay? Sin a cos b are going to get cancelled. But cos a sin b are there. Cos a sin b means 2 cos a sin b will come. Okay? We will write like this. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. This is the formula. Okay? That formula, always again and again I did not derive this. Okay? I did not form this. You know very well. Sin c minus sin d means what we have to write? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. C is this one, entire this thing. D is x plus 1. Like that you have to take. Okay? Let us substitute this. Limit delta x tends to 0, 2 cos, okay, c plus d by 2. See what I am writing here. C is this one plus d is this one divided by 2. Okay? You see now what will happen? X plus x, 2x, 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. Separately I am writing. Plus delta x by 2. Delta x separate I am writing. You see x plus 1, 2x plus 2 by 2. Why? Because you see 2, 1, 1 it is going to get cancelled. That means x plus 1 plus delta x by 2. This we will write separately. Okay? How I am writing, you see. X plus 1 plus delta x by 2. Okay? Again you write for minus also. Sin, this is cos, sin c minus d by 2. Here you see only delta x by 2 will come. How you see? X plus delta x plus 1 minus of minus d means minus x minus 1. Minus x minus 1. You see, divided by 2. X 1 going to get cancelled. Delta x by 2. Okay. Divided by delta x is there. Divided by delta x. Okay. Now how to convert this? We know very well. This 2 you have to send this. R divided by 2. Like that you can write. And this also delta x by 2 you have to write. Limit delta x by 2 tends to 0. Why I have written V? Because here delta x by 2 is there. Delta x tends to 0 means delta x by 2 also tends to 0 only. That is why I have written. Okay? In last classes all I have explained this. Okay, you see I am splitting also. See how I am splitting. Okay? Into this 2 has gone here. Limit delta x by 2 tends to 0. Sin delta x by 2 by delta x by 2. You see delta x is there. How it has 2 has come? See, this 2. Divided by 2 both numerator and denominator like. Okay. Now this is going to become 1. Limit delta x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x is 1. From sandwich theorem. Okay. Now you apply here. That is equal to limit you are applying means there will be no limit. X plus 1 plus 0. Here 0 will come. Okay. Into 1. This is 1. That is equal to cos x plus 1. This is your final answer. Why? Because x plus 1 plus 0. 0 you need not add. Cos x plus 1. This is value. You see, because of first principle, this much of steps we have to write. Or else directly you can tell sin x plus 1. Take this x plus 1 as x. Sin x, d by dx sin x is cos x. Cos x plus 1 you write. Again d by dx x plus 1. D by dx x plus 1 means 1 only. 1 into cos x plus 1. That means cos x plus 1 will come. Okay. Let us go for fourth part. Okay, see. Fourth part of first question. Same. This is a function. We have to find the derivative of this function by first principle. First principle means all limit you have to apply. Delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x you have to write. All you have to do. Okay. Let us proceed. Let us proceed further. See what I am writing. Let f of x is equal to cos x minus pi by 8. Okay. Is it okay? Yes, x minus pi by 8. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. First you write the formula, then we will substitute f of x plus delta x minus f of x whole divided by delta x. This is the formula. Then you substitute carefully. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Okay. F of x plus delta x means, see, where x is there only you have to write delta x carefully. Okay. Cos, you see what I am writing. X means you write here x plus delta x minus pi by 8. Okay. Like this you have to write carefully. Minus f of x. F of x means same function you have to repeat again. X minus pi by 8. Okay. You see x plus delta x minus pi by 8, x minus pi by 8. Whole divided by delta x. Okay. Here also again you see, you consider x plus delta x minus pi by 8 as c. This as d. Cos c minus cos d. That formula I am writing here, you see what I am writing. Cos c minus cos d is equal to, okay, you see, I am writing here. C means a plus b you take, d means a minus b you take. Cos a plus b, cos a minus b. A plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Minus will come. If plus is there, minus will come. Cos a minus b means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. That means you see, first two terms cos are going to get cancelled. Sin a sin b. First one is minus, second one is plus. But because minus we are doing, minus, then both are going to become minus. That means minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. In cos only either both sin or both cos will come. When plus is there, cos will come. When minus is there, sin will come. And this minus will come. You see, among 4 only cos c minus cos d only minus will come. Okay. Okay. Let us go. Let us transfer like this. Okay. Write down now. You see what I am writing. Minus 2. First of all, write limit x tends to 0. Limit delta x tends to 0. Minus 2. Okay. Sin. Okay. Now here you see c plus d by 2. How I am writing? C is this one, d is this one, plus 2. You see, c plus d. Plus d. Plus d means same thing you have to write. Plus x minus pi by 8. Okay, whole divided by 2. This is e plus d by 2. Carefully observe how it is coming. X plus x, 2x. Delta x is 1 only, but minus pi by 8, minus pi by 8. Minus 2 pi by 8. Plus delta x. Okay, this 2 you transfer to this one, but here you see simply, first of all, this 2, let it be. This 2 is going to get cancelled. X minus pi by 8 will come and delta x by 2. Okay, write down. X minus pi by 8 plus delta x by 2. And shall I keep this like this? Okay, x minus pi by 8 plus delta x by 2. Okay, this is c plus d by 2. What about c minus d by 2? C minus d by 2 is also there. Sine c minus d by 2. As usual, delta x by 2 only will come, but even then I am writing, you see, c minus d. Minus means, you see, minus x minus of minus plus. Minus x plus pi by 8. Minus pi by 8 plus pi by 8 x minus x whole divided by 2 delta x by 2. Okay, divided by delta x is there still. Let me write divided by delta x also. Okay. Now once again I am telling, you see, when delta x tends to 0, delta x by 2 also tends to 0. We know very well. Why? Because here delta x by 2 is there. When divided by 2, we will do numerator and denominator. These two will going to sit here. Delta x by 2, delta x by 2, delta x by 2 will be there. There is no 2. Then you also change this as delta x by 2. Split this. Sign as delta x by 2, separate you, right? Then we will make it as 1. Okay? For our according to convenience. Limit delta x by 2 tends to 0. You see, minus sign x minus pi by 8 plus delta x by 2. Okay? This is 1 into limit delta x by 2 tends to 0 sin delta x by 2 divided by delta x by 2. Okay? This 2 how it has come? Here this 2 is there. This 2 now not there. Here it has come. Okay? Or else you can say divided by numerator and denominator 2. Here 2 get cancelled, but here delta x by 2 will come. See, this will become 1. We know very well. Limit delta x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Sandwich theorem. Okay? But here if you apply limit, automatically this is going to become 0. Okay? Write down. That is equal to, you are applying limit. That means, you see, minus sin x minus pi by 8 plus 0 into 1. That is equal to minus sin x minus pi by 8. Why? Because 0, if we add, don't add, nothing will happen. Minus sin x minus pi by 8. Okay? Here also if you see, d by dx cos x, you take this as cos x. D by dx cos x means what will come? Minus sin x. Minus sin x. Minus sin x. X means this will come. Afterwards again d by dx x minus pi by 8. But d by dx x is 1. This is 0. 1 minus 0. Into 1 minus 0 means into 1. Into 1 means same thing is going to happen. Okay? Like that you have to take. Let us go for second question onwards. Second question onwards, so you need not do from first principle. Then that will be little bit easy. Okay? Let us go. Okay. See, from second question onwards, what they have written heading, they are asking us to consider A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, M and N. These are constants. Actually, up to S are all constants. M and N they are asking us to consider as integers. Integers are also constants only. Integers means here minus or plus will come. Here also minus or plus may come. Okay? Why? Because see, simply one thing we have to understand. We are doing differentiation, derivatives, d by dx. Then except x, anything is there, another alphabet, those normally we have to take as constants. That means d by dx of A or C or D or P, Q or M or N is equal to 0. That you have to think. And 2x, mx, px, rx, mx will come means m will come. Like that you have to take. Let us proceed. We know very well that he need not explain to us separately again. Okay. You see here, what is the answer for this? Now you need not go for first principle. Directly you can write. D by dx of x plus a means what? You see, like this you write. D by dx of x plus d by dx of a, that is equal to d by dx of x is 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. A is constant. x dx by dx 1. That's all. Let us go for third question. Okay. Third question, d by dx px plus q into r by x plus s. See, how can you take this? First you consider u into v. U into v, like that you have to take. But see here, x is in denominator. This x also you can take r into x minus 1. R into x power minus 1. Okay. Like that you can take. You see what I am writing? D by dx u into v formula you write first. D by dx uv is equal to u into v. V du by dx plus u dv by dx. That's all. Why? Because multiplication is there. You substitute by the same formula. Okay. You see, substitute this as per this formula. What is going to happen, and you observe carefully. You see what I am writing. V means what here? V directly now you can write that is equal to r by x plus s. Okay. D by dx u means what? Px plus q plus u again px plus q, right? D by dx of v. Now you carefully write. You see what I am writing? R into x power minus 1 plus s. Is it okay? Definitely okay. See, rather than r by x, I have written r into x power minus 1. Why? Because this is easy. Derivative of multiplication is easy than derivative of division. If r by x means, again you have to make division. Okay. That I can escape. Okay. Now you see what will happen. That is equal to r by x plus s into d by dx. You see, d by dx px is p plus d by dx q is 0. Okay, not o, this is 0 plus px plus q into d by dx. Now here you see r into x power minus 1 d by dx, r into minus 1 into x power minus 2. Okay, plus 0. Okay, like this it will happen. Okay, let us do now. R by x plus s into, now I think this p plus 0 means p only. P plus 0 means p only. You write pr by x plus ps. pr by x plus ps. Okay, plus. Okay, now you see px plus q into minus r by x square, shall I write? Minus r by x square. Why? Because plus 0 is there. Okay. Again you substitute. You see both minus r is there. For px and q, both are minus r going to come. pr by x plus ps minus prx minus pr x by x square minus prx by x square. X square x going to get cancelled. Prx are going to come. Then that will going to cancel again. Minus qr by x square. That is very important. You see here, x by x square is there. 1x is going to get cancelled. What will happen? pr by x plus ps minus pr by x minus qr by x square. These two are going to get cancelled. Is it okay? Definitely okay. That is equal to ps minus qr by x square. Okay. This will be your answer for third question. Okay. ps minus qr by x square is your answer. Let us go for fourth question. Okay. See here, fourth question. D by dx. See, d by dx they have not written. They are asking us to find derivative. I have written d by dx like. Okay. D by dx uv like you have to take. But here your square is there. Carefully how to do this. Okay, let us proceed further. D by dx uv, like you have to write the formula, or else we know formula again and again. Shall we write? Right on. D by dx uv is equal to v du by dx plus u dv by dx. Okay. Okay. But v again square is there. Carefully how to do perform this operation. Let us do. Let us do. Okay. Okay. V cx plus d whole square du by dx. D by dx of ax plus b plus u ax plus b d by dx of v cx plus d whole square. Okay. Okay. Let us proceed further. Cx plus d whole square. Okay, like this one it will be. D by dx ax plus b. What will be there? D by dx ax is a plus d by dx b is 0. A plus 0 means into a, we will multiply afterwards. Plus ax plus b. You see here, carefully you write first. You see d by dx x square is 2x. First you take as this entire thing as x. 2x. 2x means 2 into cx plus d. Again d by dx cx plus d you have to write. Because x is not disturbed here. X has to be done. X has to be disturbed. Until then you have to do. Okay. Write down this. Cx plus d whole square into a. Okay. A into cx plus d whole square. Plus, you see here 2 ax plus b into cx plus d. Okay. Cx plus d. 2 ax plus b cx plus d. D by dx cx plus d. You see what will come? C will come plus 0. That means C will come. Finally, what will happen? You see cx plus d whole square and a you keep outside. A into cx plus d whole square plus 2 into c into, here c will come, multiplication, 2c into, you see again I am writing cx plus d into ax plus b. Why I have written this? I want to take c plus d common. C plus d common. Okay. Let me take c plus d, cx plus d. Cx plus d if I take common, a into cx plus d. Okay. One cx plus d gone outside. Plus 2c into ax plus b. Okay. You see, according to your answer you change, but finally this is correct. A into cx plus d whole square plus 2c into cx plus d plus ax plus b. Okay. You change accordingly. Yes, a into cx plus d whole square plus 2c into ax plus b into cx plus d. This is answer actually they have given, but you can write like this also. Nothing wrong. Let us go for fifth question. Okay, see, d by dx ax plus b by cx plus d. That we have to proceed. Okay. Now see, d by dx u by v formula has come. First of all, let us write one time formula. D by dx u by v is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx by p square. Okay. V du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. That formula first you write. Then we will proceed further. Okay. Now substitute v, u, you know very well. This is v, this is u. Okay. Okay, write down. V cx plus d d by dx u ax plus b minus u ax plus b d by dx v cx plus d whole divided by v square. V square. V square means what? Cx plus d whole square. Okay. Like this you have to write. Okay. Now proceed further. Cx plus d, like that only you write first. But what about d by dx ax plus b? D by dx ax is x. Sorry, a plus b means 0. A plus 0. That means into a how to multiply afterwards. Minus ax plus b, repeat. D by dx ax plus d. D by dx cx. C. D by dx d 0. Okay. All divided by cx plus d whole square. Is it okay? Okay. This is not 2 whole square. Okay. Now you see a is there. I am sending inside acx like. Why? Because cancellation is going to happen. acx plus ad. Why? Because a plus 0 is a only. Okay. Here also you see minus acx. Again see minus is there. Minus bc. cx plus d whole square. You see now plus acx minus xx are going to get cancelled. Is it okay? Definitely okay. That means what is going to happen? AD minus BC by CX plus D whole square. Okay? AD minus BC by CX plus D whole square. Okay. This is answer for your 5th question. Okay. Let us go for 6th question. Okay. See here. Observe carefully question. D by dx or derivative they are asking us to find. This is the function 1 plus 1 by x by 1 minus 1 by x. You see, if you do some calculation, both denominators are going to come x and x are going to get cancelled. Then rather than this little bit complex, simplex terms will come. Okay. Let us do that. Okay. What I am doing, you see, observe carefully. D by dx cross multiply x plus 1 by x divided by x minus 1 by x. Is it correct? X minus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x. Cross multiplication I have done. You see here, these two xx are going to get cancelled. D by dx, x plus 1 by x minus 1. Now you see, rather than a little bit complex, simplex terms have come. Okay. Now proceed further accordingly. Okay. See what I am writing. D by dx. Okay. You see, v d by dx u minus u d by dx v by v square. Okay. This you write. Then proceed further. Okay. X minus 1 whole square. That is equal to. Okay. X minus 1. D by dx x plus 1 means 1 only. Why? Because d by dx x is 1. D by dx 1 is 0. That means into 1 I am writing. Okay. Minus x plus 1. D by dx x1 is also same. D by dx x is 1. Minus d by dx 1 is 0. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 means 1 only. Okay. Divided by x minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now you open the bracket. X minus 1 minus x minus 1. Is it okay? Because xx are going to get cancelled. See, you are multiplied 1, afterwards only you are opened bracket like you think. Okay? X minus 1 minus x minus 1. Then x minus x going to get cancelled. Then your answer is x minus 2 by x minus 1 whole square. Okay? This is the 6th question. Let us go for 7th question. See the 7th question. What they have written. 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. See, rather than division, I want to make multiplication. When the numerator is only one term or something like constant, then I can make this as one term like. How I am making, you see. This I also can write d by dx ax square plus bx plus c whole power minus 1. Is it okay? Now, doing derivation of this one is very easy. Like this you have to change it. Let us write. See what I am writing, that is equal to. Now consider this entire thing as x power minus 1. Minus 1 into x power minus 2. X means what here? Ax square plus bx plus c whole power minus 2. Okay. Again d by dx is inside one you have to do. D by dx ax square plus bx plus c. Why? Because see here you have not done the derivative of x inside x. Broadly you have done. That is why inside also you have to do. Okay. Okay. Let us write. You see, shall I write minus 1 by, this is minus 2, but if it was sent to denominator, plus 2 is going to become. Is it okay? Minus 1 by x square. X is this one. Into. Now you see. D by dx of ax square means what? A is common. X square is 2x. A into 2x. That means 2ax. 2ax. Plus d by dx. Bx is b. Plus c 0 I am not writing. Again you are going to confuse you. Plus o like. Okay. Like this only I will keep it. Okay. Now you write. See this minus you have to write. Minus. That means minus of 2ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c, but this is square. Okay. Ax square plus bx plus c whole square minus 2ax plus b. Okay. This will be your final answer for 7th question. Let us go for 8th question. Okay. See 8th question. D by dx ax plus b by px square plus qx plus r. Ax square plus bx plus c like p, q, r has come. Okay. Quadratic equation. Ax plus b. You see here you cannot send this to numerator. Why? Because already terms are there. Okay. You also can send, but let us do d by dx u by v like. Okay. U by v like. Okay. U by v means what? Formula shall I write again? Okay, write down. D by dx u by v is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. Now u v. Let us proceed. Let us proceed further. See what I am writing. That is equal to v px square plus qx plus r d by dx. Okay. D by dx u ax plus b minus u d by dx dv by dx v p x square plus qx plus r whole divided by see this square p x square plus qx plus r but whole square. Okay. That is your next step. Okay, write down next step. Px square plus qx plus r into now you carefully you do. See d by dx ax plus b what? A only will come. Why? Because d by dx of b is 0. D by dx of ax is a. That means shall I write a here? Okay, into a minus ax plus b you write. Here you write carefully. See px square means what? P into 2x. That means 2px. Write down 2px. Again plus qx means q. R is 0. I am not writing. Okay. Divided by px square plus qx plus r whole square. Now you see here, by seeing itself you can say that apx square 2apx square are going to come. That means if you send inside, automatically some cancellations are going to happen. That we have to done. Okay. Let us do. First you send apx square. Okay. Plus aqx plus ar. Okay. apx square plus aqx plus ar. Okay, here also you see minus 2px into ax. 2apx square. This is minus only. Okay, minus is there. 2apx square. Again, ax into q, aqx but minus. Minus aqx. You see here aqx plus minus are going to get cancelled. Here also you see apx square, but 2, 1. That is why you have to expand this. Okay, so you see first plus with ax are over, but b also it is there. Minus b into 2px. That means minus 2a, not a, b. Minus 2b, no, 2, why it has come? Yes, 2 will come, b. Minus b 2px, minus b 2px. Okay? Okay. Minus bq. Okay, now all divided by px square plus qx plus r whole square. Okay. Okay, now you see aqx directly you cut. First you write ar. Why? Because plus is there. I am writing first plus 1 ar. See, plus apx square minus 2apx square. That means minus apx square. Minus apx square. That means plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. ar already written. Now you write minus 2bpx minus bq by px square plus qx plus r whole square. Okay, let me see answer. ar minus apx square minus 2pbx minus bq by px square plus qx plus r. Okay, okay, you see we have finished 8 questions. What we do, we stop this class here. 30 questions are there. Let us try to solve some more questions in next class. Okay, thank you very much.